Welcome back to my channel, everyone. We'll discuss the top best over-the-counter acne treatment for male teenagers in today's video. Teenagers who have acne may find it upsetting and embarrassing, but there are many solutions available. In this video, we'll examine the best over-the-counter medications for teenage boys and go over each one's benefits and drawbacks. Peroxide of benzoyl. Benzoyl peroxide is one of the best over-the-counter acne treatments for male teenagers. It eliminates the acne-causing bacteria and lessens inflammation. Different strengths of benzoyl peroxide are available, and it's important to start with a lower-strength product to prevent skin irritation. The fact that benzoyl peroxide is widely accessible and reasonably priced is one of its advantages. However, it may result in skin dryness and peeling. Acid salicylate. Salicylic acid is another well-liked over-the-counter remedy for acne in male teenagers. It functions by clearing out clogged pores and removing dead skin cells, which can lessen acne. Salicylic acid is also available in various strengths, so it's crucial to start with a milder formulation to prevent skin sensitivity. Salicylic acid has some advantages over benzoyl peroxide, including less drying and the ability to lessen the appearance of acne scars. For more severe acne, it might not be as effective. Tea tree liquid. The natural substitute for salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide is tea tree oil. Its antimicrobial qualities may help lessen the number of acne-causing bacteria. The fact that tea tree oil is natural, gentler on the skin, and capable of reducing inflammation are just a few benefits of using it. There are some recommendations you can make to ensure the best outcomes if you choose to use over-the-counter acne treatment. First, be sure to carefully read and adhere to the instructions. Apply the product only as directed. Do not use more than that. It's also crucial to exercise patience. Don't give up too soon. It may take several weeks for acne treatments to produce results. Finally, be sure to take good care of your skin by using gentle skincare products and following a gentle skincare routine to prevent skin irritation. Conclusion: here are the advantages and disadvantages of using over-the-counter acne medication for male teenagers. While there are some disadvantages, many people find that over-the-counter acne treatments are a good choice. Keep in mind to be patient, start with a milder product, and generally take good care of your skin. If you're serious about curing your acne and haven't been able to cure your acne yet, then, please check the video description. I appreciate your interest and hope to see you in the next video.